When covering a vehicle with paint protection film, what sets our shop apart from all the others is how the paint protection film is actually applied. As you can see, we remove every single aspect of this vehicle before we start covering it with PPF. Take a close look. And when I say we remove just about everything on the vehicle, you can bet on that. Take a look. Even the rear glass is taken out. Even the door panels have been removed. All so that we can tuck and fold every single millimeter of this vehicle with paint protection film and not see any lines and not feel any lines. That's the Fantasy Motorsports difference. When PPF is applied to the vehicle, you can see absolutely zero lines. Perfectly seamless. It's almost as if the PPF was part of the paint from the original factory. When you come to Fantasy Motorsports to wrap your vehicle in a paint protection film, there's two options for how we're going to install it. One is a minimal removal of parts. Two, an extreme removal of parts where even the glass comes out. Depending on how you want your car protected, here at Fantasy Motorsports, we give you the option on how we're going to complete that job.